It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The standards set by the GL class meld with the standards set by the S class for another step forward in luxury. The interior is richly appointed, the performance dignified, and its ease luxurious. It comes with great features you love: automatic transmission, Airmatic height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, Command integrated navigation system with voice activation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, Parktronic with active parking assist, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and twin turbo V8 engine. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.